It pulls nicely.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things.
Alright, I'm getting a little longer test ride, but unfortunately due to its weekend, the road is all clogged up with the traffic. Well, let's see if we get some good stretch to pull it. Now I'll be going through this pothole. It was sweet. It pulls nicely. Alright, it is quite confidence inspiring. Okay, I'm gonna do the saddling now. It's in 5th gear. I have to lean a little bit towards front, but I wish handle could be a little more upright. And right now I'm doing 83. Gearbox is quite smooth. Okay, braking is quite good. Suspension ठीक अच्छा है. And one more thing, it grabs pretty good attention. Everybody just looks at it. Handle थोड़ा और upright होता ना ज़्यादा अच्छा से. I actually like that color more. Okay. There are cows up ahead. Oh my god. This bike does the nose dive when we hit the front brake. There are plenty of vibrations in the foot pegs at 6000 RPM, 2nd gear. Okay. On cornering, I was completely confident. Braking performance is quite good for its weight and the type of motorcycle this is. Oh gosh, seat height is pretty much high. I'm barely tiptoeing. Okay. ठीक है, बाइक अच्छी है, pulls nicely, braking performance बहुत अच्छी है, suspension is also decently good. सिर्फ एक vibrations the issues है, जो foot pegs के vibrations हैं around 6000 RPM. ते handlebar ते like quite okay. Confidence aspiring है पूरी. चल आगे गल करना. Yeah, sure. Alright, the South Delhi biker is gonna take the test ride of the motorcycle. It felt like fun, but the vibrations were distracting me.